Hey guys, so in this 3 minutes video, I will show you a quick, very easy and beautiful mirror wall decor using Dollar Tree items. So I'll be using some Mardi Gras beads, charger plates, which I got from the thrift store, but you can also find this at the dollar store or Dollarama or Dollar Tree, and also some glass rocks as well in different sizes. So I have the large ones, medium size and small sizes. So I'll be using 3 different sizes for this DIY. Okay, so just watch as I do this. So I had gone ahead and had the Mardi Gras beads glued around the edges on the flip side of the charger plate. Next thing, I am using the large beads to actually create some kind of a flower around it with the smaller bits, as you can see me do. This is all personal preference, by the way, so you can actually play around with this as you like. Okay, so this is DIY, do it yourself. So you're doing it yourself, your own way, your own style. Okay, there's no rule book to this. Let's carry on. Alright, so after I had it all glued down, as you can see, the mix of colors actually makes it look really beautiful. So you could keep it this way if you want, but I will be spray painting mine, and I will be spray painting this rose gold. So it could be whatever color you choose for this to be, okay? And by the way, even though I'm using hot glue to glue this down, you could use any stronger adhesive of your choosing to do this for a longer lasting hold. Alright guys, so I will go ahead to spray paint this before putting on the mirror. And the spray paint I'll be using for this is Rose Gold by Design Master. The 3 brands I use too often is Krylon, Design Master, and Rust-Oleum. So those are my favorite brands, by the way. No promo here, okay? Just my favorites. Alright, so this mirror I also got from the Dollar Tree. I'm taking it out of the frame because I need just the mirror for this. I will go ahead to glue this in the center using my E6000 glue and my hot glue. Overall, this cost me about $12 to do, or less if I'm not mistaken. And that's it. What do you think of our mirror wall decor? Yes, I know you're thinking, how did I get to hang this on the wall? I will show you in subsequent video, because this is just part 1 of 15 mirror wall decor DIYs I'll be showing you this month of February. Well, starting this January. Anyways, do let me know if you loved this and would love to see more. So comment down below and let me know what you think. And don't forget this video a thumbs up. Hey guys, welcome back to part 2 or DIY number 2 of 15 of our mirror wall decor series. So yes, once again, I'm using a charger plate from the Dollar Tree and also some Mardi Gras beads, but this time around I'm using rocks. Yes, rocks. We're gonna use some rocks, some gravel and some sand for this mirror wall decor. So just watch as I show you in this quick 2 minutes video. Alright, so after gluing down my Mardi Gras beads as well as my rocks, I'm using my hot glue to actually fill in the gaps around the rocks with some gravel. And I also got this gravel from the Dollar Tree, which can also be found in Dollarama if you're in Canada. So although I am using hot glue to do this, you can also use Mod Podge for this particular part or any other strong adhesive of your choosing. Your choice, okay? So as you continue to glue this, you can shake it off for loose pieces from time to time, just so you know exactly what's being glued on and what's not. And you can also reuse the falling pieces or particles. Alright, so I kept doing this until every gap between the rocks was actually filled with some gravel. Okay, so once I was done with this, I will go ahead to use some Mod Podge to seal it. Mod Podge is a very strong adhesive, even though it takes about 12 to 24 hours to fully cure. Once it cures, it is not going anywhere. This basically will last forever, guys. So yes, use some Mod Podge or some tacky glue to actually seal in your decor. Once that was sealed, I went ahead to spray paint it with silver, and this is actually Rust-Oleum silver spray paint. Once again, I will go ahead to use this mirror from the Dollar Tree. I will take out the mirror from the frame and put that onto our mirror wall decor using my hot glue and A6000 glue. Yes guys, if you've watched right up to this point, please do comment silver down below, because of course we use silver for this one as opposed to rose gold for the first one. So what do you think about this one with rocks and some gravel? Let me know in the comment section below, guys, what you think of DIY number 2 of 15. If you did enjoy this video, do not forget to give this video a thumbs up or hit that like button, and also drop a comment down below. Hey guys, I'm back again with part 3 of 15 DIYs using mirrors I'll be showing you today. So part 3 is very similar to part 1, where I'll be using these beautiful Mardi Gras bits as well as the rocks, the glass rocks from the Dollar Tree. Alright, so first things first, we put our Mardi Gras bits, and then I'll go ahead to put these beautiful faux rocks, or glass rocks they call them, from the Dollar Tree all around this charger plates on the flip side until every part of it is covered in this. Just watch as I do this. Okay, so these actually come in different colors. So far I've seen red, green, and blue, and clear ones as well. You could leave it as is. The blue one looks just as good, but I will be spray painting this gold today because we already did rose gold, silver, and today is gold. So to hang it, I'm using some jute rope and also hot glue and some A6000 glue to actually keep that to cure overnight, and that can actually hang properly because this is a little bit heavy because the rocks are kind of heavy. I'll go ahead to put in the mirrors, and again I got this from the Dollar Tree, which I will take out the frames. I'll use these frames for another DIY, which I'll be showing you guys once we're done with our 15 DIY series. Okay, so I'm gonna keep this and use for another DIY. Okay, so now it's time for us to insert our mirror. I'll do so using my hot glue and A6000 glue, and this is our final look, guys. What do you think? I absolutely love this one. I love it just as much as I love DIY number 1 and number 2, but you tell me, which one has been your favorite so far? Alright guys, that's it for today. See you on DIY number 4, so stick around and see ya. Bye!